And the stories no hot at here. Na unim say me de ensem ni na ebebremo. A lot of people don't know. I've reported the first story. Na the first story I'm reporting, a petitioner, ya petition president say on remove Justice Uni Kulendi because of a year Richard Japa incense. Now, in that video, I explained the sequence of a year issues. Baby free a diababe. Now, let's come to the beginning of the whole thing, right? And you know, so what her video na me posting and then ye kwechi where your friend recap. We are having a recap, okay? Into ye recap the beginning of the whole thing. Baby a free any baby and the ababedu because Godfred Dame so the response be aba. Na response na aba no. Sisi ano in semwa esisi no, right? In semwa esisi no. The possible scenarios and they say Justice Yoni Kulendi, he might or there's a possibility say you bet to me you free her as Supreme Court judge, right? No omo yes I no free alleged free Godfred Dame camp. Sa story na me dia bro. Richard Japa is now also going after Godfred Dame. And also the end of the day, at the end of the day, no, the able to me see and say Godfred Dame, you able to me a channel, police for be to me a channel. Okay. Now there's also an old petition bia, and also obia, pape bia won also your friend no Kwame Ofosu apia, Daniel Kwame Ofosu apia. Ononso akwa reported Godfred Dame ama the General Legal Counselor, and then also possible outcome they say Godfred Dame you able to me a cancel the lost certificate, the license, and the Godfred Dame diagram under the lawyer Biomo Ghana Kromha. So these are the possibilities. Godfred Dame might be arrested or might be barred from the legal profession. Yonu Kulendi might also be removed as a Supreme Court judge. In the camp, everyone is going at each other. Now let's take it from where it all started. Embra NDC Babemu. Na pape bia ye friend no Daniel Kwame Ofosu apia. Ena wotro enkrata otintim enkrata de koma the General Legal Council. Na matretre mu e wa happen. Said the General Legal Council akwakoye a body bia omohwe lawyers for so. Nti okokofa lawyer. Na ne lawyer ni ye adwuma. Na lawyer no obu oye obu kata. Lawyer ni wia osika ana lawyer no oye bibia ensem fata o ko reporting na General Legal Counselor lawyer na ebetumi agene license e free nsem nti ye kan lawyer se wo Ghana krom ha ade ba kwa wo musrupa na General Legal Council nti lawyer bia no eya no ni the client e dealer opese o deal clean because okoko dibone obetumi lose the license nti General Legal Council mo adwuma no nti senior America na Daniel Kwame Ofosu apia yi NDC ba abemu ano eno kotron krata command the General Legal Council. And I think we might have spoken about it again. We might have spoken about it on this platform. But we have to speak about it again. Why? Because of Insemna Baby Ababedru. And then the recent reply and a response are Godfred Dame Widen or Diaba. As a one also General Legal Council for Chow say Adia Branchi Weka say Yanjin and Krata and free Insemno. So that on man medane lawyer biom no or pa General Legal Council chow force say my enye ade abranti we work. So let's take it from that side. What you say. So we are going to read the petition what this man is seeking. What you say. It will be an interesting one. And that first time I subscribe and I click the notification bell on so. Oh yeah, the latest news be about one sa ebeka. Na answer ni ebeko story nim no mesre. Meka mamin kan biom. Me say se wo tie me na we fuso. And I wouldn't mobia nefusun biana mesrel boni pakrono or help yourself because if you can see ya reported wa Ghana say ya redomo and the ekum Ghana for bebre diabetes, stroke, heart attack, cancer, nini na if you can see and this area no eba. Why would you me say we fusun you know so call hospital ya catch yourself cholesterol you too high. Oko hospital ya catch yourself BP you too high and you be never catch one kasa wunim if you can see. Na mesrel in the comment box there is a book. Sa book no betrel enyama miensa oya within 1 month se wefu anko form ana we hu sign say we fu e ko form a udi book ne so nyama ne so pepepe na 1 month we fu anko form ana we hu say book we hu say we fu ko form a mesre book no e 100 cedis pe utowia fa bra na bra beji usika say we hu improvement a bra na bra beji usika and na me no ka say Melodies ebusuafo a wo mo ato book no baako doctor ewo UK wa jatum say ondi so na de ewo book ni maye endu echi ya obi nso frame ofri France ono po de ne doctor eye ne wanwa say obi a wo Africa etumi tro book say e ma wo katre no say ondi book ni so nyame wo book ni mo ondi so nti doctors cry approve the book or they are approving of the book. Number no screen is on 055-807-4986. Call that number. Utiasi kana yebema book no ni PDF and I say ni tree video. Yes, there's a tree video of the book. Ebetumi ama bibiaye easy amount. Anyway, young concept ni mo. Or say in the matter of professional misconduct by Mr. Godfred Dame, former Attorney General and Minister for Justice, submitted pursuant to Section 18 of the legal profession into here. Meton ena eye sankrata we eba bonten. Now, ana meton na sorry nipa ko we submit here. Or say General Legal Counsel, Disciplinary Committee, Judicial Service, Administrative Blog and all that. Or say complainants of professional misconduct against the former Attorney General of the Republic of Ghana, Mr. Godfred Dame. Introduction. Or say this is submitted pursuant to Section 18 of the Legal Profession, Act 1960, Act 32, which provides that a person may lodge any complaint. Sorry, it's our word we a person may lodge any complaint relating to the conduct of a lawyer, and such complaint shall be referred to the Disciplinary Committee of the General Legal Counsel. In accordance with this provision, I bring this complaint as a citizen of the Republic of Ghana with a vested constitutional and civic duty to uphold the integrity of the legal profession and the administration of justice. My local standing is derived from Article 41B of the 1992 Constitution, which imposes a duty on every citizen to uphold and defend the Constitution and the law. This responsibility includes taking steps to ensure accountability in public office, especially when constitutional values and the rule of law are at stake. Also, this petition concerns a confirmed instance of professional misconduct by the former Attorney General and Minister for Justice, Mr. Godfred Dame, in the matter of the Republic versus Dr. Kiselato Forsen and Ano. Into our suit number CR/0198/2022. In that matter, a private audio recording capturing a conversation between Mr. Godfred Dame and the third accused, Mr. Richard Jakpa, was admitted by the court as Exhibit 9 for A1. The contents of this recording reveal Mr. Dame attempting to influence the testimony of Mr. Jakpa in a manner that interferes with the judicial process, compromises prosecutorial impartiality, and undermines the constitutional right to a fair trial under Article 19.2 of the 1992 Constitution. The matter that this recording has been admitted into evidence by the trial court and court of appeal moves the matter from the realm of mere allegation into that of judicial recognized conduct requiring urgent professional and ethical scrutiny. Inti ye nie nim Godfred Dame audio tape in some course. Inti papa itre say asem no first na ye mere allegations, but a true baby no it was tendered in court as evidence. Inti sisi ade nya allegation biom eye evidence. Inti even with this petition no kra no or this evidence no e kan ho. As a factual background, on 13 June 2024, Her Ladyship Justice Efia Sewa Asaribotwe, Mrs., presiding over the High Court in criminal case number CR 0198-2022, ruled on the admissibility of an audio recording between Mr. Godfred Dame and Mr. Richard Jakpa, the third accused. The audio is marked herewith as Exhibit A, and the written ruling on admissibility marked as Exhibit B. Also, that same day, under oath and cross-examination, Mr. Jakpa informed the court that he had met with the former Attorney General on 4 occasions at a private residence belonging to his cousin, see Exhibit C. Furthermore, he testified that they had exchanged WhatsApp messages, including messages in which the Attorney General requested documents from him. These WhatsApp messages were tendered into evidence as Exhibit 10 for A1, Exhibit C. Also, these communications occurred outside court during the pendency of a criminal trial and without the knowledge or involvement of Mr. Jakpa's legal counsel. This conduct raises serious ethical and professional issues, particularly for a lawyer serving as the principal legal officer of the state. Into 3, relevant professional rules breach. I mean, we all know the story. Into Nibakono at the evidence or background of the case, factual background of the case, and a walker. What you say? Into Wakan Semni na Senya Jakpa Ekukushia Godfred Dame and the Kon he ba he ne babe ye de ne babe ye de Godfred Dame semo no katre Jakpa Godfred Dame krakushia Jakpa no nanka nsemo ne kano anka wo se Jakpa ne lawyer wo ho Godfred Dame ye obi a wo ye lawyer chese wa ye adwuma ache onim se wuntumi nkonkoshia a witness without witness no ne lawyer what you say sense mebre. As a relevant professional rules breached. Also, the actions described above amount to professional misconduct under the following provisions of the legal profession, professional conduct and etiquette rules, 2020. 1. Rule 1C. Also, failure to act with honesty, integrity, and professionalism. Into the first rule, Godfred Dame, you see, we break it, and they say he was not professional because lawyers for one of our rules, and they say, you need to be honest, you need to act with integrity, and you need to be professional. As broad as it is part of our rules. 2. Also Rule 8.1. Engaging in conduct involving deceit or misrepresentation. Oh, your lawyer now could dintro. And now some nyesa only our clients are saying nyesa net now could dintro bia ye to me jun krata free them. It's Godfred Dame. He allegedly conducted himself or he was involved in deceit. 3. Also Rule 13.1a and b. Direct communication with a represented party on matters of representation. Inti obi foforo o ye lawyer, obi foforo one no na case no muenya na one ni pakrone kasa without ni pakrone lawyer. Inti eno nso yesi eye rule Godfred Dame etiano. Rule 54. Attempts to improperly influence a witness or the outcome of proceedings. It allegedly no Godfred Dame ahanse so obrichi because he attempted to improperly influence a witness or the outcome of proceedings. 5. Or say Rule 61. Conduct likely to discredit the legal profession. Into ye bibia ebema lawyers for enime guase. Okoko ye bibina ema lawyers for enim guase. Itu meji onkrata free unsem. Ti anu ndi itu ye bibia o ye lawyer na okoko bokro no a. Ye ndi wa ma lawyers enim guase. Rule 76. Compromise of the administration of justice. Rule 89. Any breach of the above constitutes professional misconduct, right? Into say in addition, Rule 94 of the legal profession, Professional Conduct and Etiquette Rules 1969, LI 613, reinforces the long-standing obligation of fairness in prosecutorial conduct. Now, sanctions, Nibakoneden or Enfanya Godfred Dame, as a pursuant to Section 16 of the Legal Profession Act 1960, Act 32, the disciplinary committee may, upon determining that a lawyer has engaged in misconduct, impose appropriate sanctions, including reprimand, suspension, or removal from the role of lawyers. Inti Godfred Dame ade ebetumi aye ne say yebetumi atwe naso, yebetumi suspend no. Ati ase anase betumi ayi ne fimu kra as lawyer. And that might be to the extreme. Also, given the nature of the conduct and the seniority of the lawyer involved, I respectfully urge the committee to consider this matter with the utmost seriousness and in accordance with the law and ethical standards. Into here, Nibako we say, Godfred Dame no, or a senior lawyer. It's a senior lawyer, wakwako di sebe, boni say dear. Mun china so pan so that in Kolanit Nichia, or Mube no Mwesia. It's basically no, Ebian Nibako we, Onyaya Godfred Dame, yin influence lawyer. As a conclusion, the conduct of the former Attorney General, Mr. Godfred Dame, as confirmed by the admission of audio and electronic evidence in open court, raises grave concerns about professional ethics, prosecutorial propriety, and the independence of the judicial process. His actions have undermined public confidence in the legal profession and the justice system, and they constitute a clear breach of the rules governing lawyers in Ghana. I submit this complaint in the public interest and in fulfillment of my constitutional obligation as a citizen. I respectfully call on the disciplinary committee to investigate this matter fully and take appropriate disciplinary action in line with the law. Respectfully submitted, Daniel Ofosu Apia, the acting chief justice for Bafoboni. That's quite interesting. Won't try what your comment box anymore. This Ghana, this time, won't try what your comment box anymore. That's it.